Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Haqwazi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about chemistry particle, and the particle is microwave assisted hydrolysis of benzamide. Microwave assisted hydrolysis of benzamide. So I will discuss about the principle, what is the aim of these experiments. I will show you the equations, then what chemical required for these particles, what apparatus you need, and what is the principle behind it, and then I will show you the procedures, and then finally characterize with the melting points. So let us start learning of microwave assisted hydrolysis of benzamide. My friend, the aim of this experiment to perform hydrolysis of benzamide by using microwave irradiation technique. Microwave irradiation technique. You can see here the chemical equations. In the reactant, you have benzamide and 20% sulfuric acid and microwave assisted synthesis. Then you will get the benzoic acid. So conversions of CONH2 to COOH. What is the principle? Principle is, my friend, microwave normally have wavelength between 1 centimeter to 1 meter. You know that. And frequency of 30 to 300 GHz. You also know microwave irradiations induces specific interactions between materials and waves of electromagnetic nature assimilated to dielectric heating. My friend, you also know that in electromagnetic spectrum, especially in electromagnetic spectrum, the microwave radiation is located between IR and radio wave radiation. Telecommunication and microwave radar equipment occurs in the many of the band frequency in these regions. In order to avoid interference with this system, the household and industrial microwave oven operate at a fixed frequency of 2.4 GHz. The energy 0.3 calorie per mole means from E scale to HNE, you have to calculate the energy. Now, what chemical required for this experiment? Simple. You need, because you can see in these reactions, you need sulfuric acid and you need benzamide. Only two. Only benzamide. So, benzamide, how much? 2 gram. And another chemicals, 20% sulfuric acid. How much you need? 10 milliliter. Only 10 milliliter. So these two chemicals, one is 2 grams and another one is 10 milliliter. Then what apparatus you need for the performing of these experiments? You need glass beaker and glass rod, nothing else. Then you need, of course, you need the microwave. So this is a principle of microwave assisted synthesis. Means you have the benzamide, you want to convert this one in benzoic acid through the microwave, and you need 20% H2SO4, that is the sulfuric acid. Now, what is the procedures? I will talk briefly on procedures. A mixture of benzamide and 20% sulfuric acid are taken in a 150 milliliter glass beaker and then placed in a microwave oven and heated for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes. After cooling, the reaction mixture is made basic with dilute sodium hydroxide. So you need the sodium hydroxide, dilute sodium hydroxide. Then a white colored product of benzoic acid is formed, and the formed benzoic acid was checked by its solubility test and melting point. So just take the melting point, and its melting point 121 to 123 degrees Celsius. So my friends, I hope you understand what I talk in this video. The aim of experiments, I show you the equation, the principle of microwave assisted synthesis, then what chemicals you need, what apparatus you need, what is the procedure, and I also given the information about the melting points. So microwave assisted hydrolysis of benzamide, this practical, if you are interested, so it will be beneficial for you. So if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, share it in your friend circle, and thanks for watching.